My dear students of class 8, welcome back in the third part of the video. My dear students, chapter first, that is the crop production and management, and the last topic that is remaining, and last topic is that how we can get food from the animals. So some animals provide us food in the form of milk product, in the form of egg and meat, in the form of fish, and in the form of honey. So let us see. Number one, honey obtained from the apiculture. Dear student, this apiculture means Apis indica. The honey bee, the scientific name of honey bee is Apis indica. That is why the industry for the production of honey is called apiculture. So rearing and caring of the honey bees comes under the apiculture, and that provide us honey. Second is fisheries. Second, that is the fish or fishes. This comes under the science that is called fisheries. Fisheries means the rearing and caring of the fishes in the pond, in the rivers, in the other water resources, that is called fishery, and this fishery provides us fishes as a food. Then third, that is the egg and meat. It comes from the poultry. Poultry. Poultry means the rearing and caring of the hen or chicken to obtain the egg and meat. Now, last, that is the dairy. For milk, that is obtained from milk and milk products that we can obtain from the dairy. Dairy is the rearing and caring of the domestic animals so that we can get the milk and its products. Dear student, come to next, and that is the exercises of question and answers. So many question answers are given in the NCERT exemplar that you have to solve it. And my dear students, come to the assessment part, that is the question answer which I am going to take in this digital video as MCQ. Question answer exercises and MCQ will provide you the knowledge of the solving MCQ questions as well as the filling in the blanks. So dear students, let us start questions and answers in chapter 1. And chapter 1 question answers means first part, that is the MCQ. And MCQ number 1, that is, which of the following crop can be transplanted? Options are A, rice, B, tomato, C, chili, and D, all of these. So answer will be all of these. Rice can be transplanted, tomato can be transplanted, and chili can be transplanted. So answer will be all of these, and answer will be D. Second is agriculture chemicals are those which. Options are A, enhance crop yield, B, protect crop, and C, regulate growth, and D, all of these. So agriculture chemicals, they enhance the crop yield, yes, okay. They protect the crop, again okay. And they regulate the growth, again okay, because some hormones or chemicals, they regulate the growth by giving them the plant growth. So answer will be all of these, and answer will be D. 2D. Come to third one. Which of the following segment is not true for the organic manure? Options are A. It enhances water holding capacity of soil. B. It has a balance of all plant nutrients. C. It provides humus to soil, and D. It improves texture of soil. So it enhances our water holding capacity to soil. Yes, that is true. It has a balance of all plants nutrient, again true. It provides humus to soil, again true. It improves texture of soil. It will be again true. So my dear student, the false statement will be the first, that enhances water holding capacity. The manure, organic manure, it does not provide the water holding capacity to the soil. Okay. So answer will be A. It is not true. Third, A. Come to 4. The term used for the process of separation of grains from chaff is, options are sieving, B. threshing, C. winnowing, and D. hand picking. So answer will be B. threshing. 4. B. threshing. Come to the question number 5. Read the statement given below and choose the correct combination. Choose the combination of statement which indicate the need to irrigate crop. Number 1. Seed require moisture for germination. Plant can absorb nutrient mostly in the dissolved form. Irrigation protect crop from the both for air current. No. Irrigation improve the soil texture. No. So the pair of 1 and 2, that answer will be A. That will be the correct answer. So 5A. 5A. My dear student, you have to note down these answers in your book, either in your book or in your classwork copies. So while looking this video, you have to keep the book and your CW copy so that you can complete your task in this digital video. Question number 6. Which of the following tools would a farmer use to remove weeds from the field? Removal of weeds means unwanted plants. That can be by hoe, A hoe, B plow, C axe, and D cultivator. So the tools like plow and hoe, that you can answer it, my dear student, by looking the book, take the help from the book, that which one is helpful in the weeding, which instrument is helpful in the weeding, and see it, that is the that answer you will get by cultivator, to loosening, hoe, plow, shaft, then the answer will be, my dear student, perhaps hoe. So the answer will be hoe, H-O-E. Answer will be A. 6A. So my dear students, there is an assignment that you have to complete the question number 7, 8, 9 of this page number that is given on page number 26. Page number 26. So you have to complete the task, that you have to complete the 7, 8, 9 questions as well as filling the blanks. So complete MCQ and the blanks in your fair copy. This is a task to you that is provided to you. So when you are staying at your home, you have to do it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Good day.